wet job. I'm completely soaked from head to toe, but all of the nozzles on this property have been switched out for MP rotators, so now we're getting nice equal distribution of water, and we're getting a nice high efficient use of the water as well.
Yeah, so back in 2005 is when we built this test stand because we were redesigning our pro adjustable nozzles at the time. So instead of just finding a nice warm piece of cement outside where you can put a nozzle on, maybe have a flow gauge if you're lucky, we can actually quantify the performance of our spray nozzles in our spray lab. So that's why this test stand does only come out 20 feet. This is pre-MP rotator days. We have 714 catchments, each one spaced 1 foot apart, and each one tells us how much water falls inside each catchment. So this is where we collect our catalog data. We can do densogram data in here to test our DUs, which are really important, especially as we get into MP rotators. We've got high uniformity out of the MP, so anytime we're touching molds, we want to make sure we haven't messed with that high uniformity expected of the MP rotator.